don't know where we're gonna go. Silang kasama namin. Naami dali sa city, port safety. Kauban ni sa hawan. Naami port safety. Oh, magul sa mga ani. Tao. Office ng King.
Don't touch.
They will come back. They don't go back again. He will come back. Oh, Papa back.
Ang daming
Please, no one's missing. Hi guys. This is my nanny, and then we are in this like very old place. It's for like so if you want to see the old people again, like not old, I mean the
Old
city.
market.
Yeah, what she said.
We are in the old market.
Old market, old city, and then we just now saw the door of Kuwait. As you can see that my nanny, she's working here in Kuwait. Kuwait in Asia. Very proud. And then some people are not wearing masks.
Yes.
This is just now.
Mupalit mig kuan. This one, sir.
ها؟ This one?
Yeah.
give it again now. يلا روح اطلع برا ركز.
Nangaon mig kuan.
So no, what's the cheese they're using for this?
Ah, di ba diyan na ako magtanong.
Ano ba mo na?
Ha? Na excuse me lang sama.
Hindi si tatay.
Parang nandoon sila. Nangaon mi uguan kanang ano gay pangalan nito Raquel?
Kana.
Kanafa. Kanafa.
Kasi pag ginawa ko, pag gusto ko yung malaman yung cheese.
Masarap ang cheese. Or dahil kasi ano mainit pa.
Kasi yung binili sa akin nila sobrang alat na cheese. Excuse me, Miss Abuya, I have my own bottle of water, okay? I will not drink your water. I have my own. No, you will not come back. You will stay with me in Nana Mercy. Eh, but then someone will take you there.
Halangan ko na matapos. Dami diri na nga on.
Somebody wants to talk to you.
That is for free.
Pinakabisi kasi sa mga tigilan yung nasa kasi. Sakay ko man si
Kay Nero sa magsabi. Mga blur ako. Lolo!